Kerajaan akan berusaha membawa pulang serpihan pesawat MH17 setelah selesai siasatan teknikal. Siasatan ke atasnya akan dilakukan di Belanda.
Menurut Menteri Pengangkutan Datuk Seri Dr. Liao Tiong Lai, proses perundingan sedang lagi berlangsung bagi membolehkan pasukan penyiasat membawa pulang serpihan ke Belanda.
Yes, we are actually still negotiating with the Ukraine and the separatists to allow the investigator to move in. Even now during winter, we have some confidence level now with the resolution passed in IKO, and more effort is taking shape now to move in. We hope in a few days' time we can move in again. This time is to collect evidence as well as to collect the wreckage. It's important. Yes, we want to collect back the wreckage. Yeah. Not back to Malaysia, but back to Netherlands. It's for investigation, because the investigation is chaired by Dutch.
Tambahnya, kesemua 44 mangsa warga Malaysia dalam tragedi terbabit sudah dikenal pasti, dengan terbaru Puan Sri Siti Amirah Kusuma yang akan disemadikan di Belanda.
Move the camera away from those charred debris.